Are you in need of converting Mac MSG files into PST format? Introducing SysTools Mac MSG to PST Converter tool. Best tool to convert multiple Outlook MSG files to PST format. Key features of the software. Mac MSG Converter tool convert multiple MSG files into PST, vCard, HTML, PDF, MBox, NSF, EML, and Office 365. The tool provides two options to add MSG files. Add files or add folders option. The software provides advanced settings option which have date range filter, PST split, and categories options. The tool maintains folder hierarchy intact after the conversion process. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Mac MSG to PST Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the Download for Mac button. Now install and run the software. The first screen will appear. The software has user-friendly interface. Here, you will see two options to add your files, Add Files or Add Folders option. Click on any one option. Select the folder which contains the MSG files. If you have chosen any wrong file, then you can remove that file by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. After satisfying with the added data, click on Next button to continue the process. In Select Export Type, you will see multiple formats. We are converting into PST. That's why select the PST radio button and click on Advanced Settings option. In PST settings, you can choose Split PST option to divide the mailboxes into multiple PST files of preferred size. In Categories option you can export specific component, you can check or uncheck as per your requirements. In Date Filter option, you can export specific date range data. For that, select from and to date. After all the settings, click on the Save button to save the settings. Now, click on Change button. Choose your destination path where you want to save the resultant files. At last, click on Export button to start the conversion process. Once the export process is completed, click OK. You can see complete exported status. Click on the View Report, and you will see your converted data and export process report. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.